In this video, I'm going to show you how to send an invoice on HoneyBook. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, you want to click on the plus new button in the top right, and then you want to click on invoice. When you do that over here at the very top left here, it's going to say blank invoice. Now, of course, you could use any of these templates, but I'm just going to do a blank invoice over here, and then I'm going to click on standard invoice. When you do this here, you will have to first create a project to actually save your smart file in. So I'm going to name it invoice 1. Okay, I'm going to click on save file. And when that's done, it should now open up my invoice. There we go. So as you can see here, it's going to say setup invoice. And this is where you can basically go through the general settings. You could go ahead, click on over here, set the frequency, the file name, etc. And then you could go through each and every single one of these tabs and brackets over here. And you can change whatever you want. You can change names, invoice titles, purchase orders, etc. So everything can be customized. And over here on the right hand side, you can basically see how it's looking like right now. Okay. Whenever you've done that part, and if you want to send your invoice, so of course first customize it, go to the advanced settings, customize that as well. And whenever you're happy with how your invoice looks like and whenever it can actually be sent, you can click on save and preview over here. And this is basically the preview of your invoice. You can click on next, and this is basically what your customers or the people you're sending the invoice to are going to see. Now you can swap to mobile up top over here as well to see how it's going to look like. And then you can just click on the next button, or you could go ahead and share right away. If you want to come back to this step though, you can always do that by going to projects here on the left hand side. And then inside the projects tab here, when this actually loads up, you'll be able to see your invoice. There we go, it's over here. Click on that. And then you can also click on files over here, and inside you'll be able to see your invoice. Okay, so if in just a few seconds, there we go. When this loads, I want to click on that. It's going to open up inside the editor where you can also edit and customize how you want this to look like. So if there's anything you want added in here, you could go ahead and click on invoice or pay over here to go to separate pages. You could also click on customize theme, and again, you can do whatever you want with it. And when you're happy, you can send a test invoice to yourself by clicking up here and clicking send. Or if you want to share it and send it right away, you can click on share in the top right. And then here, you can just go ahead and set who you want to email this to. And then you can also type in the subject, type in the main part of this message. And then you can just go and click on the send button here. And of course, you'll be able to send your invoice that way using HoneyBook. So that's how we do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.